So let's go. Hopefully I can get what I dish for her and the banana bread. Good morning to you, the birds. They start tripping because it's way like it's around 11 a.m. We've gone to church, we've come back. I'm just going to show you guys what a chilled Sunday is when we don't go out or when I'm lazy. Okay, so usually my mom does all the cooking because she's got to spoil us. I don't know, I feel like ever since I came back I've been so relaxed. So she does all the cooking. I don't disturb myself. Once in a while I cook, once in a while I bake. So today I decided to cook. I was going to cook something else, but I was too lazy to get the ingredients. So I'm going to make goat meat sauce. Basically the goat meat has been made already. It's in the freezer. I'll bring it out. I just chop up some vegetables, make my sauce. At the same time, you know, I promised you all I'm going to show you guys how I do my banana bread. I'm gonna show you all that today. So let's go to the kitchen. So for the banana bread, I'll put the link down. Look, I took a screen what I used to make it. The only thing missing from this is milk. Evaporated milk. So I will put everything in. I'll separate solids and liquids. Because you already know what we need. Let me just see what we need. So this is the oil. This is the oil we normally use if we don't have this butter. So I've run out of this butter. So I have to mix this butter and this oil together. Then I sometimes use cinnamon. Next, vanilla extract. Baking soda. Let's start mixing. Let's get into the mixing. First of all, I'm going to melt this butter in this pan, not pan, in the pot. So let's do that. I won't make it too hot because if it's going to be too hot, it's not good. So I've put all the solids in here. So it's now time to mix the liquid. So that's egg, banana, and milk, and butter. So now I'm melting the butter, and also the spaghetti is in there. I'm going to add this and this too inside. Time to mash it up. So this is what it looks like so far. It looks like butter low-key. Let's get a better view. Let me see that. I read somewhere that they said you shouldn't mash it too much. all ready and about to go into the pan. Sorry, into the oven. Oven is already hot. Yes. Now it's time to make the goat meat sauce. Hey, Kelechi.
You don't know you are ready.
These are what oil to splash on my body.
No, it's not like your body. That's why you use the pan. You think I'm not even off.
Yeah.
There's water that is right.
Finale. The goat meat sauce. My banana bread is. You would think I was actually exercising, but I was only cooking. So I finished cooking. My battery is about to die anyways. My mom is hungry. I'm going to dish her food for her. Go in the shower. Hopefully by then the banana bread will be ready. So let's go. Hopefully I can get what I dish for her and the banana bread. So this is mama's food. I tried to do something unique, but this looks like a fail. But it's all good. And that's her juice. Watermelon juice. Let's go and give her food. It is ready. Yes! Let's do this. The banana bread already. I'll show you guys. If you guys make more, you know what this is. But I use this because I like the way the cake comes out when you put it in this moi pan. But yeah, you guys, I'm so proud of myself. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed my vlog of me making banana bread and spaghetti with goat meat sauce. I'll see you guys in another video, my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so excited. I have banana bread to eat. You guys don't understand. Well, this bread is not going to last in this house. It's going to finish in a week. Let's bet.